Junior accountant accidentally dates the boss's daughter. Be me. 26, junior accountant at some mid-tier firm. Life equals Excel sheets plus reheated pasta plus slowly dying. Friday night, coworkers drag me to bar. Packed, loud, smells like networking and regret. Then I see her. Red jacket, whiskey neat, laughs like a threat. From rival firm, the one with actual branding and cooler mugs. Trivia night breaks out. Some marketing loser volunteers me. Get matched against red jacket girl. Simpsons, chemistry, random history, I'm on fire. Final question, Hugh Grant bookshop guy. Obviously Notting Hill. She groans, calls me a rom-com loving bastard. Clinks glass, smirks, next round's mine. My face when she writes her number on a napkin. Coworker whispers after. Bro, you don't know who that is, do you? Turns out her dad is one of our company's top shareholders. Oops.jpg. Still text her. Burger joint, hoodie this time, hair tied back. You're late, -1 trivia point. Judges me for extra pickles. Talks movies, pineapple on pizza, corporate politics. Admits she knows I found out about her dad. Good thing I'm not dating him, he sucks at trivia. Walks with me after, quiet blocks, little test vibes. Quick cheek kiss before she drives off. Hooked.exe. Monday at work, printer war, stolen yogurt, life is pain. Go to lobby for delivery. She's there. Red jacket, bun, talking to receptionist. Oh, you work here? My dad's upstairs. Brain.exe stopped working. Basically dating corporate royalty. She notices my panic, says, still wanna see me? Yes.jpg. She smiles, good, let's pretend I'm not rich until next weekend. Things get closer. Dumb dinners, trivia reruns on her floor, half-finished puzzles. Rainy Friday, ramen night, hoodie, hair messy, soft music, quiet safety. She asks why I'm an accountant. Say it felt safe, maybe too safe. She nods, says everyone expects her to become her dad. Hold hands, fall asleep with rain hitting the windows. TFW no drama, just honest. Weeks later, her dad calls me in. Basically says I'm a distraction. She straight up tells him, then I love my distraction. MFW.jpg. Months pass. Small things, burnt toast, cereal on the floor, dumb socks, forehead kisses. Both of us stop pretending. I carry a ring in my drawer for weeks, scared to ask. One night, rain again, just hand her the box. I don't have a 5-year plan, but I know I want to wake up next to you. She smiles, says, I choose you, too. Start his stupid leadership program. Everyone talks like business podcasts. Feel like supply closet guy playing exec. Want to quit? Come home to post it on fridge, you've got this. Also buy eggs. A year later. Small wedding in backyard, string lights, tacos after. She whispers before vows, you didn't wear the taco socks, right? Define where. We both laugh through vows anyway. She promises fries, I promise to keep losing trivia. We say yes. No spotlight, no yacht, no drama. Just two idiots choosing each other again and again.